Hey everyone. So one of the most awesome things about Sihu, other than being able to create awesome content for you guys every week, is our associate program. The difference with our program is hands-on investing experience. So every year, we and a small group of students take a sum of money and purchase an investment property that we teach you how to operate. So all our students learn how to operate a successful cash flowing investment property, how to do a joint venture, and everyone leaves the program as an equity owner in the investment property we purchased. This is important, so I want to say it again. You leave the program as an owner of a real investment property with all the knowledge you need to know to do it again, and we'll be with you every step of the way. Last year's program was a huge success with an amazing investment property, and we want this year to be even better. We have a few spots left for this year's program starting in February, and we'd love for you to join us. If you're interested, please reach out to us at hello@cwho.ca or phil@cwho.ca. See you soon.